Hi, welcome to Lynn's Recipes. Today I'm making buffalo chicken fries. This is a good alternative to buffalo wings. This is good for an appetizer or just a snack on. To make the buffalo chicken fries, these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You'll need melted butter, honey, hot sauce, and this is Frank's hot sauce. You can use something similar to that. You'll need a pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast that you've cut into 1/2-inch strips, salt, pepper, flour, and vegetable oil. So the first thing I'm going to do to start this recipe is make up the sauce, and I'm going to put the butter and the honey, and I sprayed this cup with some cooking spray to make the honey come out a little easier. And the hot sauce. Mix all this together, and I have a little whisk here. I'm just going to incorporate it all together. Now I'm just going to set this aside for a minute. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to salt and pepper the chicken. So I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to take my tongs and kind of stir it around to make sure it gets on all the pieces. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Ziploc bag and pour my flour in it. And I'm going to start putting my chicken in, and then we're going to shake it to coat the chicken with the flour. And I'm doing about half at a time. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the stove and we're going to saute this in some vegetable oil. So I'll put about 2 tablespoons of my oil in my saute pan, and it's hot. It's over medium-high heat. And so now I'm just going to simply put my chicken in and brown it and cook it till it's done all the way through. It'll be about 2 minutes per side. Okay, I'm going to turn them over and cook them for another 2 minutes on the other side. So my first batch is ready, so I'm going to take it over to the counter and show you what we do next. So our next step to do this recipe is to simply take these and put them in the hot sauce. Going to take a spoon and stir them around, get them all coated. I'm going to put these on a serving platter. And now what I'm going to do is continue on with my next batch, and I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did with this first batch. Both batches of my chicken buffalo fries are done, and this is what they look like. Now one thing you can do is you can serve it with carrots and celery, and this is blue cheese dressing, or you could use ranch dressing just like you would with buffalo wings. I hope you enjoy this recipe.